One of the most common questions I get asked is, what projects should I do on my home to increase its value? Today, we're going to talk about what to do and what not to do to make sure that you are getting a great ROI on your investment in your property. This is important because the right upgrades will definitely help you sell faster and for more money. And the wrong ones, those will just eat into your profit and cause you to be frustrated later. So let's jump in. So let's start with what not to do. Going all in on a high-end kitchen remodel, luxury landscaping, or worse, leaving a project half finished usually does not pay off. According to the latest costs versus value report, a major upscale kitchen remodel returns just 36% of what you put in. That means for every dollar you spend, you're getting back less than 40 cents. Meanwhile, buyers want homes to feel clean, complete, and move-in ready, not a work in progress. So if you start a project, you have to finish it. That missing cabinet or halfway done tile, that could end up costing you in the long run. Now let's talk about what to do. Focusing on first impressions has the biggest bang for your buck. For example, if you do a simple garage door replacement, that can give you up to a 268% return. This is the highest return project in the country for the last 2 years in a row. A new steel entry door can return around 216%. Inside, we want to focus on mid-range updates like new countertops and fixtures. A minor kitchen remodel is returning about 113% right now, compared to just 36% for a major remodel. You can also tidy up the yard, replace worn carpet, and stick to light neutral paint. Those are always great investments because buyers want homes that feel fresh, updated, and move-in ready. First impressions matter so much, and most buyers decide how they feel about a home before they ever even step inside. My biggest piece of advice is to not cut corners when it comes to a contractor. So get off Craigslist and Marketplace and call us. We will connect you with one of our preferred vendors who we know, like, and trust to do a great job and take great care of you. Cutting corners might seem like a good way to go to save a little money, but it usually ends up costing you in the long term. Even if you are not planning to sell your home and you're curious what upgrades are the ones that make the most sense for your value, we are always happy to be a resource for you. In fact, we would so rather you call us and get some insight and advice from a professional than to guess and end up investing in the wrong thing. Even if you have no plans to sell now, you never know what could happen in the future. Things are always changing. You might have a job relocation, unexpected family matters that cause you to sell. So we always want to make sure that if you're investing money in your home, that you're doing it with the advice of a professional real estate agent. We know what the market can bear for specific neighborhoods, and it's really important that you contact us and use us as a resource. If you have any questions at all related to the real estate market, your home value, or what interest rates are doing, or our opinion overall on the market, we're always happy to talk real estate with you. Just reach out to this email. We'll get in touch right away. As always, I'm Jacqueline Smith on behalf of Evergreen Real Estate Partners. Thank you so much.